What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. So I haven't put my saddle on or even climbed a tree in almost a year since the last day of hunting season last year. Today I'm going to climb that tree, and I want to see if being rusty has any effect on me getting into the tree. I'm going to see just how fast I can get up in there and get huntable. Not get fully set up with my camera gear and everything, but I just want to be huntable in the tree with bow in hand, ready to rock. Let's get into it. The way this is going to work is I'm just going to arrive at this tree like I'm hunting in the middle of the woods, and I'm just going to go up the tree how I normally would. I'm going to time it. I got everything loaded up on my pack, bow in hand, ready to rock. I just walked up to this tree. I'm ready to go. I'm going to start the timer in 3, 2, 1. Take some precious time. Bow on the ground. First thing I'm going to do is take my pack off. I'm going to walk you guys through this, even though I would not be talking if I was in the middle of the woods. I'll take my pack off and I'll get my platform and my sticks off. And I have my platform on these little paracord loops that I will place on the back of my saddle setup. Keep it locked in, ready to go. Fumbling through some stuff. All right, next thing I'm gonna grab my pack, put my pack back on. Make sure that's locked in and ready to rock. And then I will grab my bow hoist, hook that onto my cam. And then next thing is we're gonna put our first stick on. I would usually run a 3-step aider system on the bottom stick, but for today's video we're not going to do that. All right, we're locked in. Next thing is we're going to get our lineman's belt out, wrap around the tree, and we are ready to make our ascent up. Let's do that. First step, second step, tighten the lineman's belt. Tighten my saddle. Then we're going to pull off our second stick. Get that ready to go. Now I am not rushing at all while doing this, guys. Trying to be smooth and quiet. Up again. Now we're going to do our last stick. Oh. Didn't pull that tight. It's better to be slow. It's better to be slow. Man. All right, so once I'm onto my bottom stick here, slow down. I'm leaving all this stuff in, guys. Okay, a little higher. There we go. And once I'm onto my bottom stick here, I'll actually take my platform off. and get ready to rock with that. On my camera on the tree. Get it somewhat ready to go. Up on the tree, cam it down. Cam it down. Now, before I get in here, I'm going to put my tether on. Just in case something were to happen. I'm now hooked up with my lineman's belt and my tether. All right, now we are fully in with our lineman's belt. So now we're fully in up in the tree. So I'm gonna now I'm gonna take my gear strap, wrap it around the tree, thread this through like so. This is where I'm gonna hang my bow. I have these little clips for my pack. Take that off. Then connect my bag. Connect my bag there. Take out my hero clip for my bow. And pull this sucker up to the top. Take my bow hoist off. Time. Pull the phone out, see where we're at. I'm losing some seconds here. Lost some time, but we were at 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Very rusty start. But bow's in the tree, and we are up ready to hunt. If I could, shock a deer right now. First time up in a tree, no practice at all. Now it's time to pack it up. I got to her back down on the ground. I think not being in a tree or climbing a tree at all since January 1st, it's now August, doing it in 7.5 minutes with a whole lot of mess ups, kind of impressive. So a little bit of practice, I can definitely get in there faster for next time. But yeah, with a minimalistic saddle setup, ready to hunt, bow in hand, ready to rock. You can get in there 7.5 minutes. Some practice, maybe knock it down to 6.5-ish. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little challenge video. Let me know if you guys want to see more challenges like this in the future. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to show you guys everything in my gear dump, from sticks, platform, bow, pack, camera, everything. We have a self-sufficient saddle set up. Keep a lookout for that one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See y'all next time.